Hi, welcome to the program Strategies and Tactics of Pricing. My name is Pol Vanaerde. I'm president of the EPP, and I'm delighted to be your trainer for the all modules. I invite you to explore the different modules of the program with me. The first module will deal with reflections on pricing. We will answer a very interesting question, what is a good price, for instance? We will also zoom in on the impact of pricing on your organization, on your EBIT, on your brand positioning, on your communication to the market, and we will reflect on what can we learn from other industries like art. On the second module, we will discuss a proven path to pricing excellence. As you probably know, EPP has developed a very solid, strong pricing maturity roadmap. This is a globally wide recognized best practice roadmap to deploy a higher pricing maturity in your organization. And I'm happy to explore and to discuss the different stages in your pricing maturity, but also to reflect on where are we today in our pricing maturity in the organization, and this as a starting point of your own roadmap to develop your pricing excellence. The third module will exactly focus on all the different aspects and challenges that you will have on the different level on your pricing maturity. Module 4, 5, and 6 will then indeed zoom in on the implementation of the different pricing actions on your pricing roadmap to develop and to improve your pricing maturity towards a level 2, 3, and for some of you, a level 4. Module 7, then we become more and more closer to the real price setting and to price operational best practices. Module 7 is about to discover the 31 most used price plans, while Module 8 will zoom in on the 11 most used price setting techniques. Module 9 is then all about value-based pricing in practice. We will look at the optimal process to set value-based prices on your innovations. And of course, we will support you and help you develop the right research tools to close the knowledge gaps to define a value-based price. Module 9 or 10 better is exactly on zooming in on the value-based pricing toolbox, where we are going to explore all the different pricing research tools. This will lead to module 11, where we not zoom in on the B2B consumer pricing, but more on the B2B value-based price setting techniques, and that's all about economic value calculation. So we will zoom in not only on the technique on value-based pricing in B2B, meaning economic value calculation, but we will also discuss how to implement economic value calculation into your selling process, where you have to defend your value-based prices when you're confronted with, for instance, purchasing departments. And last but not least, we will zoom in on module 12 on the behavioral aspects of pricing, because whatever we believe that pricing is a science, and it definitely is, it's also always you have to do with people, and people behave in the way people behave, and they have price perceptions, they have a price behavior, which we will discuss and check and see what the impact is on your price implementation projects. So I hope you enjoy these 12 courses. I'm really looking forward to guide you through the courses. And as always, at EPP, we stay available if you have additional questions or comments or reflections to make on the course, but also on your own pricing projects. If you can be of any help, please reach out to us. You can find all the contact information on our pricing platform website. I'm happy to support you. Please chat, email me with your questions. Again, happy to support you. Enjoy the course. Have a nice day.